So hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, or if you're new here, hello, welcome. My name is Luna Rose, because I'm the flower that blooms at night, and as you can read from the title of today's video, we're going to be doing a Shein clothing haul. So let's get into it, shall we? So I purchased all of these clothes from Shein with my own money, combined with the help of my Patreon family, as well as my Only Friends website, which I will leave a link to down below. I will also try and link down below all of the products that I try on in today's video. Shein does often swap up its stock, so if I can't find the exact item, I will try and find something similar. I did also pick up these gloves from Shein, as well as this blazer kind of cape half moment. I did get the wig from Amazon and the necklace from eBay, and yeah, let's see what we picked up, shall we? Okay, so we are starting this haul off very risque, to say the very least. This came up under their lingerie category, but it did also come up under catsuit, and it is very much a drag outfit kind of thing. I've noticed a lot more recently on Shein, a lot of the outfits that I see are very drag friendly or drag based, and something that you would see a queen in. And this is a lot sheerer than I thought it was going to be, but it is a mesh red leopard print catsuit with kind of black mesh cutouts on it. It kind of looks a little strange just holding it up, but I'm hoping when you've actually got it on your body and it's all curvaceous and gorgeous, it'll look absolutely stunning. I will have to wear a nude bodysuit under it, since it is a lot sheerer than I thought it was going to be, but yeah, we are starting this haul off very risque, draglicious, and this is very much my style, especially with the exposed hips and sides. I just think gives it that full draglicious, curvaceous vibes, and I'm praying to God it actually looks good on my padded and corseted body. But I probably won't wear a corset for the try-on. As if. The next outfit I picked up, it gives me full-on Clueless vibes. I have actually done a Clueless transformation a couple of years back now on my channel, and Clueless is just a gay person's staple film, and when I saw this little Bardo kind of yellow plaid moment, I just had to pick it up. It gave me Clueless. Clueless is one of my favourite films, and it doesn't really have much stretch to it, and it's just a basic tube dress, but I'm hoping in the future, once I've lost a little bit of weight and I really corset in my waist, I think this will be a really cute little dress. But yeah, it gave me Clueless vibes, meaning that I had to buy it. I look like Miss Piggy. So the next thing that I picked up from Shein is actually pretty similar to what I'm currently wearing, which is kind of a caped blazer dress. Obviously these pieces kind of get in the way when you're trying to showcase things and I talk with my hands a lot, but it is another kind of a blazer dress moment, but this one has fringe along the sleeves, and I may be reaching here, but at some point in the future, you'll have to let me know in the comment section. I want to start doing a lot more cosplay with my drag, and this jacket reminds me of Uran High School Host Club's uniform. So at some point in the future, I wanted to do this for Haruhi and do a little trouser set with it, and do this as the blazer, since it kind of gives me the colours of Uran High School Host Club. If you don't know what that is, it is an anime, and I will pop a picture up on screen. But yeah, when I saw it, it just gave me that vibe, and at the very least, I'll probably just wear it like I wear this. It's just in a general drag look, but let me know if you want to see me do more cosplay, since I don't know. It gave me those vibes, okay? Now, the next thing I picked up from Shein is honestly one of my favourite items I've ever seen them sell, and it is a little two-piece co-ord set. You guys know I am a sucker for a co-ord set, or anything that has a matching glove or something to tie the look together, and I've been wearing a lot more blazer things recently. So I picked up this really cute pink graffiti little cropped blazer and little skirt set. Obviously you can wear them separate or wear them together, but what I was thinking is to wear this in the future with just a white kind of bodysuit on under it, to hoist the girls up and give that coverage, but then wear the blazer open with a little skirt and a thigh-high sock or something. I thought it would be a really cute drag look, and yeah, I just really like this kind of graffiti-ish kind of grunge vibe to what Shein seems to be selling a lot recently, and it is very much my style. I am tempted to rhinestone it or add something more to this, but yeah, I thought it was a really cute set, and I think it was £20 for like the blazer jacket and the skirt, which, girl, bargain. The next thing I ended up picking up from Shein is something I can safely say I don't own in my drag wardrobe, which is quite a statement since I buy and I own a lot of drag, and I've literally never thrown away a piece of my like clothing I've bought, so there is like 10 years stacked storage of drag. But this is definitely a unique piece. It is a full-on like mermaid gowned denim skirt, which is very different and kind of out there, and usually I'm not someone that wears like full length outfits, and denim doesn't have like much stretch to it, so it can be a little bit awkward and difficult for drag. But at some point in the future, I thought it'd be really cute to do like a full on like glam Daisy Duke kind of look with like a rhinestone like plaid or like flannel shirt with then like this like mermaid gown kind of skirt, or I could do like a double denim little crop top with it or something. But yeah, I just thought it was something really different to have like a full length denim skirt but then with like a mermaid kind of flare out at the bottom. But since it is denim, I'm assuming it's not gonna like flare out much, so I might get some like blue tulle fabric and like put that under it. But yeah, you'll have to let me know what you think of it. It was something different, and I'm trying to challenge myself to wear things that I wouldn't traditionally go for and avoid just buying like pink slutty outfits. So I bought some denim. Okay, and speaking of going outside my comfort zone, there is just something in me recently that keeps wanting to buy flared pants. I don't know if like that 70s kind of flare is back in fashion, and I just keep seeing it on like Instagram and TikTok, and it's like influencing me. But the next thing I picked up is a green floral flared set of like leggings, and I just thought this would be something really cute for drag, or even just to wear as pajamas, since it's that kind of material that's just like stretchy, it's comfortable, and that little bit of flare on the leg will hopefully like accentuate my hips when I'm in drag and give me a little bit more of a nice silhouette. And I just like anything in this like retro-y style recently of like pattern and print and like fit and style. So yeah, you guys know me, Luna Rose, anything floral, I have to pick it up. But yeah, I bought like 5 or 6 pairs of like trousers recently, and that is just that's not usually my vibe. Currently I'm wearing like a little short slutty moment. Okay, speaking of wearing like a little slutty moment, this next piece is definitely a little risque. It is a 2-piece co-ord set, which I'll pretty much just kind of wear together to look like a full catsuit, since it is just like a little red lace crop top as well as a pair of pants, like trousers. I don't know what everyone calls it, but in England, pants means trousers, so yeah, I just figured it would kind of look like a catsuit together if I wear them together with like a belt in the middle. But it is a full-on like sheer red lace moment. But I love lace, and I want to start wearing more red. Like, my name is Luna Rose, and I feel like red is the colour that I wear least in like drag. So yeah, I thought this would be cute and sexy and sheer and see-through and get me outside my pink Barbie bubblegum. And now we're back to my usual comfort zone, since the next thing I ended up picking up is very much in my like wheelhouse of drag, and it is a pink little co-ord set, but the top portion is like full on like ruffled, kind of like bolero-y kind of style, but it just gave me like planty petal vibes, and then the skirt is just kind of like a basic pink kind of holographic slight iridescent gold to it. But the top like portion being this like ruffly like moment gave me full on like pink plant vibes. So at some point in the future, you guys know me, I've said it so many times already this video, and it says it on my channel, my name is Luna Rose. I'm obsessed with anything like floral, and I really want to do like a really pretty like pink floral moment, maybe put some like flowers in my hair and wear this like pretty pink like ruffly moment, super like tan up my skin and just give that full on like tropical goddess vibes with it. But yeah, I really like anything that has like a little bit of like ruffle or like a slightly different silhouette than just like a basic bandeau. So I needed it, girl. Not really, but really. The next thing I ended up picking up from Shein is, again, something a little bit outside my usual comfort zone, but they've recently launched like a biker core kind of collection on Shein, so everything's kind of like motocross themed or like a little bit racer like girl themed. And fun fact, my dad was actually like a motocross racer, and when I was younger I used to always be like on my quad bike and like racing around with motorbikes, which you would not expect from the visual you see today. But yeah, my dad used to be like really into motocross, and so like it, you know, fueled me to like motocross. And so this next thing I picked up is like a fun homage to my childhood, and it is like a little motocross dress with like a zip down the front. Obviously, you would never actually wear this to ride a bike or like do motocross sports, but it gives that vibe in like the pattern and the print of it. But yeah, I thought it'd be a fun like homage to my past, and I just really like that like grungier kind of biker core style to it. And if I put like a red biker jacket on this and like a red thigh-high boot, I would feel sexy as fuck. And yeah, let me know what you think of it down below. Obviously it also has the zip down the front so you can like reveal the girls, so win-win. I had to pick it up. And then the last garment I picked up was purely because of the drag queen in me, and the sparkle gets me. Like, I am very much a drag queen through and through, and it is just kind of a basic like mesh bodysuit, but the breasticle region is full on like rhinestoned. It is actually like a slightly like off brown colour, not like a black mesh, which I generally would prefer a black mesh since it's kind of easier to style, but you know, I think this would look really cute still with like a high-waisted black skirt or like something like that. And yeah, just have like shiny breasticles on show. Again, the drag queen in me just spoke to me, and Shein have been doing a lot of things like this recently where it's just like bedazzled and rhinestoned, and I've tried to rhinestone costumes in the past. It takes a very long time, so buying it pre-rhinestoned helps the drag queen in me shine and me not have to spend hours individually placing rhinestones on a garment. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this little Shein haul as well as a try on. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below which piece I picked up was your favourite. And don't forget to subscribe to the girl next door with something more. And I'll see you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye. Ooh, good tongue pop outro.